Hi, this is Ellen from MeasureSquare. Today, we'll be going over how to import and use a PDF report from a MeasureSquare project in JobTrakr. Starting from my projects page, which I'm in right now, I'll go ahead and click on my project labeled Glen Oaks Community. Then, I'll hover over the Add Plan button here and click on PDF Blueprints. Then I'll click on the blue button labeled Select PDFs, and I'll go ahead and select my desired PDF file. My PDF will show up in the preview screen here, and at this point you can select which page you want to import. To select all PDFs in your file, you can make sure that the Select All checkbox is checked. In this case, I want to only select my diagram. So, I'll click on the drop-down menu here and make sure that the desired page is checked and the others are unchecked. When done selecting my pages, I'll click on Save. At this point, you can see my plan show up here. I'll click on it to open it. And you'll just see in just a second, I can add tasks to my diagram here, as well as mark up my diagram. Thanks for watching. If you like this, please like, comment, or subscribe.